Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to day trade TradingView step by step. Open a TradingView chart, pick a time frame, and add a moving average or RSI to spot entries and exits. Focus on risk per trade, set stop loss and size positions to protect capital. Watch price action around support and resistance, confirm with volume spikes, and practice on paper trades before moving to live orders. Stay patient and keep a trading journal. Start by scanning for tradable setups using trend, volume, and volatility filters on TradingView. Focus on pullbacks to a moving average or clean breakouts from consolidation as primary entries. Confirm the move with a volume spike and read higher timeframe structure to avoid trading against the trend. Define your stop loss and target before entry, size the trade to your risk rules, and log every trade for continuous improvement and clarity. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful tutorials. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading trading guides and market notes effortless on commutes or coffee breaks, and it fits neatly beside your monitor. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When executing, enter with a limit or market order depending on speed and liquidity, and always set a stop loss. Size each position so your dollar risk matches your plan, and consider scaling out partial positions at predefined targets. Monitor price action closely and adjust stops to break-even or better once the trade moves favorably. Post-trade, record setup, outcome, and lessons to refine entries, exits, and risk rules consistently over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.